Next, I'll show you how to get a free domain and take the web app live. Publishing is really straightforward. Simply go up to the top right and click the Publish button to make your web app public. When it's done, you'll get a confirmation message like this, and then you can click View Site to see your site at the temporary domain. There it is. Beautiful. But this temporary domain's kind of ugly and not very memorable, so let's personalize it. We'll close this tab and go back to Horizons. Then close out the confirmation message. Next, let's go back to the Hostinger dashboard. We can do this by clicking the hamburger menu in the top left and then clicking Hostinger dashboard. When you land on the Hostinger dashboard, if you're not already there, make sure to select Horizons from the navigation on the left side. Then find your site with your temporary domain and click Connect Domain. Here you can search for a domain to use. I generally recommend using a .com if it's available, so let's see what we can find for InfoSnap. InfoSnap.com is not available, so let's try adding a dash, and there we go. Info-snap.com is available and free for 1 year. We'll go ahead and click it to select it. Then in the bottom right, we'll click Next. You'll be prompted to register your domain. Go ahead and follow the steps to enter your contact information. When you're done, you should get a confirmation saying the domain was added to your site. Now, to make sure that your new web app actually goes online at this domain and stays online, you'll need to verify your email address. Go to your inbox and find the message from Hostinger. This is what the email will look like in your inbox. Go ahead and click Verify Email. Then you'll get a confirmation message like this. Click the Continue to Home button. Nice, we can close out of this tab and the mail, and click Continue on the original tab. And back on the Horizons page of our dashboard, we can see that our web app is linked to info-snap.com. And you can see the live site by clicking on this square with an arrow in it. There it is. So now your web app is live on the internet, ready for people to use.